Hello and welcome to the Old Brick Guy. Today we've got something a little bit different for you. Set 6346, which is the Shuttle Launch Crew. This set was from 1992 and it has 5 minifigures, a car, a truck, 2 bikes and a shuttle. I'll apologise now. The grab arm from the Space Shuttle was broken due to the age of the pieces and it being quite fragile, so I've chosen not to put that in. This is a fantastic set. And as a kid, I would have absolutely loved this. So let's get on with the build. And there we have it, set 6346, the Shuttle Launch Crew. I'm sure you'll agree, if you were a kid, you would have had loads of fun playing with that set. So that's it from me. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.